Gaming isn't just screens anymore. This new tech puts you inside the game. For decades, gaming has been about looking at a screen, controlling characters with a controller or keyboard. We've immersed ourselves in incredible worlds, but always from a distance. That era is rapidly ending. We are now entering a new frontier where the boundaries between player and game are blurring, where you're not just watching a story unfold, but actively living it. From hyper-realistic visuals to sensations you can actually feel, the technology emerging today is fundamentally redefining what it means to game. Get ready, because the future of immersion is here, and it's about to pull you deeper into digital worlds than ever before. The evolution begins with visuals that defy reality. Gone are the days of pixelated landscapes. We're now seeing the widespread adoption of QDOL and micro-display technologies in gaming monitors and VR headsets. These aren't just incremental upgrades. They offer unparalleled color vibrancy, true blacks, and lightning-fast response times that eliminate motion blur. When paired with higher resolutions, often pushing for K or even 8K per eye in VR, the visual fidelity becomes indistinguishable from the real world. Imagine exploring a vast fantasy realm where every leaf, every ray of light, every shadow is rendered with breathtaking realism. This level of visual immersion tricks your brain, making the virtual environment feel genuinely tangible, drawing you in without any conscious effort. Beyond what you see, next-generation haptics are bringing touch and sensation directly into your gaming experience. We're moving past simple rumble feedback. Advanced haptic suits, gloves, and even full-body vests are integrating sophisticated feedback mechanisms. Imagine feeling the distinct texture of rain, the subtle vibrations of a distant explosion, or the impact of a sword clash directly on your body. New haptic technologies are simulating everything from the recoil of a firearm to the crunch of snow underfoot. Some cutting-edge gloves are even offering nuanced force feedback that simulates the resistance of holding a virtual object. This layer of tactile feedback transforms passive viewing into active, full-body participation, making your interactions within the game world feel incredibly real and visceral. The auditory experience is also undergoing a revolution with spatial audio and advanced sound design. Traditional surround sound is being replaced by true 3D audio environments, where sound cues accurately reflect their position in space relative to your head. Imagine hearing an enemy's footsteps precisely behind you, the distant echo of a monster's roar from deep within a cavern, or the distinct direction of a whispered voice. This isn't just for immersion, it's a critical competitive advantage in multiplayer games, giving you real-time information about your surroundings. Paired with high-fidelity, low-latency wireless headsets, the audio experience becomes so convincing that your brain can easily be fooled into believing the sounds are originating from the virtual world around you, not just through headphones. Then there's the exciting progression in physical interaction and locomotion. While joysticks and trackpads have served us well, new tech is enabling more natural full-body movement within virtual worlds. Beyond room-scale VR, specialized omnidirectional treadmills allow you to walk, run, and even sprint endlessly in any direction while remaining in place in the real world. This liberates you from teleportation or artificial locomotion, dramatically reducing motion sickness and enhancing immersion. Coupled with full-body tracking suits or sensor systems that capture your every limb movement, your in-game avatar truly becomes an extension of yourself. Imagine physically ducking behind cover, aiming a bow by truly drawing your arm back, or climbing a virtual mountain using your own body. This level of physical congruence blurs the line between your physical self and your digital presence. The rise of the metaverse is the ultimate expression of this immersive push. Gaming worlds are evolving into persistent, interconnected virtual spaces where the game doesn't just end when you log off. Your digital identity, your earned assets, and your social connections persist. We're seeing user-generated content tools become incredibly powerful, allowing players to build and monetize their own experiences within these vast digital ecosystems. This fosters a living, breathing virtual world driven by its community. Virtual concerts featuring real-world artists are drawing millions of attendees, showcasing a new frontier for live entertainment where physical location is no barrier. This signifies a fundamental shift from games as standalone products to games as expansive, evolving social platforms. This isn't just about entertainment. It's about the very future of how we interact with digital realities. These technological advancements, from hyper-realistic visuals and haptic feedback to spatial audio and full-body locomotion, are converging to create experiences that are truly breathtaking. They challenge our perception of what's real, what's possible, and how deeply we can engage with the virtual. The line between being a player and being part of the game is rapidly disappearing. This is the new era of gaming, an era where you're invited not just to play, but to step inside the game itself.